Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be going through one-liners for NEET PG from Anesthesia. This is part 1 of the Anesthesia series. Airway assessment for difficulty during intubation is assessed by Mallampati classification. I have attached an image-based question for Mallampati classification at the end. Highest absorption of local anesthesia is by intercostal block. Risk of methemoglobinemia is with prilocaine and benzocaine. So whichever one is given in the option, you have to tick that. Most common anesthesia used for intravenous regional anesthesia or bias block is lignocaine. The second most common is prilocaine. Most common anesthesia used in spinal anesthesia, bupivacaine. Most common local anesthesia used in ocular surgery, bupivacaine. Most cardiotoxic local anesthesia, bupivacaine, but only the D isomer of bupivacaine. Most common ECG finding due to this is low idioventricular rhythm with broad QRS complex, whereas the L isomer is less cardiotoxic. Most cardiostable induction agent, etomidate. Most common plexus block used, brachial plexus block. Most common approach of brachial plexus block, subclavian approach. Which nerve is spared in interscalene block? Ulnar nerve. Most common complication of subclavian approach, pneumothorax. Anesthesia of choice for ECT, methotrexate. IV agent of choice for status asthmaticus, ketamine. Atracurium is metabolized by Hoffman's elimination. Hoffman's elimination is a non-enzymatic self-degradation without the help of liver or kidney. And lastly, an image for Mallampati classification. There are 4 classes. Any one of the 4 images could be given and you would be told to identify which class does it belong to. In class 1, all the structures are visible: soft palate, hard palate, uvula, faucial pillars. In class 2, the tip of uvula is not visible. In class 3, only the base of uvula is visible and the soft and hard palate are visible. And in class 4, even the soft palate is not visible. An additional point is class 0, in which when the patient opens the mouth, the epiglottis is visible. So in such a case, difficulty of intubation cannot be assessed. So thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.